You want me to put it in?
I really do.
Will it make you happy?
It'll make me so happy.
Good Morning Snore Solution. Stop snoring. Start living.
Side effects likely to include, but not limited to, increased alertness, relationship harmony, enhanced work performance, mood improvement, and a generally better life. Tell all your friends immediately when you experience any of these symptoms.